When we think of Taiwan, one of the first things that come to mind is food. The milk tea craze and the endless buffet of street food have made Taiwan a food capital in Asia. And because food is the center of our relationship, my wife and I immediately planned for the trip. More than 2 hours from Clark International Airport in Pampanga, we arrived in its capital, Taipei. I've always imagined the city of Taipei to look like its Chinese neighbor Hong Kong, with neon-like skylines and skyscrapers crammed in small spaces. But it's far from that. Taipei has lots of open spaces. After we got to our hotel, we set out to our first main objective. And that is to find the best braised pork in town for breakfast. And it's in this quaint restaurant near Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Hall station of their MRT. Jinfeng Braised Pork Rice. The place is easy to spot. Just take exit 2, walk past Nanmen Market, and you'll see a lot of people lining up. And that is a very positive sign.
Sarap nito. Sarap nito. Mas marami lang kanin pero so this is gonna be the first order of the day, literally the first order. Braised pork rice and some pork noodle soup to give us that energy to go around.
After that meal, we went to one of Taipei's famous landmarks, which was just around the corner, the Chiang Kai-shek Memorial. So now it's lunchtime. Even though our stomachs are still full from the braised pork that we ate, we took the train from Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Station and went down to the next stop, Dongmen Station. With just a few minutes walk, you'll find the best beef noodles in town, Maokong beef noodles.
In the scorching heat of Chiang Kai-shek Memorial, we went further down south to Dongmen Station and we went to Yongkang Street to try their famous Yongkang beef noodles. And after that, we headed down here, still in Yongkang area, to try famous smoothie house recommended by CNN. And it's this huge bowl of shaved ice with mangoes and ice cream. So I'm gonna try this now. It's really refreshing, especially on a hot summer day. This bowl cost about 250 new Taiwan dollars.
So from Dongmen Station, we went further south of Taipei, all the way to Taipei Zoo Station.
So after Chiang Kai-shek, we are now here in Maokong and we are about to ride a gondola going to those mountains. One thing about Taiwan is that they like their food extra large. Look at this. It's so huge. It's like the size of my face. Look. And it's so good.
So from Maokong, we went straight to Taipei's landmark skyscraper, the Taipei 101. With a few more hours to spare, we went back to Taipei's version of the Grand Central, the Taipei main station. All rail lines converge here, so wherever you want to go, city, north or south, this is a good place to begin your journey.
So if you ever get tired of all those walking around Taipei, you can go here to Taipei main station, not just to ride or transfer to other lines, but you can also sit down and relax, rest your feet, and then go ahead to your next adventure.
After that quick rest, we went west of Taipei.
So we are now in Longshan Temple, and we are going to visit one of the oldest temples here in Taipei.
A few walks away from Longshan is a reflection of Taiwan's past.
So we are now in Bopiliao Street, just a few meters away from Longshan Temple, and this is one of the streets that retains the old Taiwan from around 200 years ago.
The street was witness to different periods from Qing Dynasty in 1644 to the Japanese colonial period in 1945. So that's it for the Taiwan vlog. I hope you like it. I hope it's helpful. And be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more moments on mobile.